Alright, so next step is I'm adding a piece of cotton fabric to make a panty lining, because the last thing you want is to have this first stuff touching your vagina. So now what I'm doing is adding a piece of cotton in between the seams, and then if you guys can see, I got on each side a tassel. So I'm going to try to see if I can sew with one hand. Majority of the time I can't. So, and I don't have the tripod for my phone, so you guys can pretty much get the hang of it. So you basically just sewing down the panty liner, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put on each side, if you guys can see, this is what's going to tie the bikini on each side, kind of like that, if you guys see that on that. So on each side I have that, and that's the head wrap, and these are the breasts. These are the breast ones, and this is the headband, guys. So it's just all coming together. So this is video 2 of making a bikini, but you definitely want to put a piece of cotton in between the bikini liner so that this is not touching your vagina. And also with this, just with this fabric, I will also wear a very thin pair of thongs just to protect your vagina from any of the fur getting in there. All right, guys, this is video 2. So putting in the panty liner. Alrighty.